Hello everyone, and welcome to Delft Stack. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix that annoying echo in your headphones on Windows 11. Whether you are hearing your own voice playback or a strange reverb effect, this process is going to help you fix all of that. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. First, simply right-click on the speaker icon in your system tray at the bottom corner of your screen, then click on Sound Settings. Now in the Output section, click on the arrow option next to your headphones or speakers. Simply scroll down until you find the Audio Enhancements option. Click on the drop-down menu and select Off. If this selection is missing or grayed out for you, don't worry. This is a common driver bug. We will fix that in the next step. But if it is not grayed out, make sure to turn this feature off. Now, the most common cause of echo isn't actually an issue, but a monitoring setting that we need to fix. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard. In the Run panel, simply type a simple command, mmsys.cpl, then hit Enter. Over here, simply click on the Recording tab. Then, all you have to do is double-click on the microphone that is checked right over here. It should have a green checkmark option. Now go to the Listen tab and make sure the box that says Listen to this device is turned off or unchecked. If this is on, that is 100% your problem, so make sure to uncheck this box, then click on Apply, then OK. Now if you still have an echo and you can't find the enhancement options, or the enhancement option is grayed out from step 1, it is because your Realtek driver has hidden it, so we are going to swap to the standard driver to get it back. Right-click on your Start menu, then click on Device Manager. Inside Device Manager, simply expand the Sound, Video, and Game Controllers option. Look for your audio device, usually Realtek Audio or anything related to your audio driver. In my case, it is the AMD high-definition audio device, but it could be different for you. Just simply find your audio device over here. Right-click on it, then click on Update Driver. Over here, click on Browse My Computer for drivers. Then choose Let me pick from a list available on my computer. You will see a list. All you have to do is pick high-definition audio device, not the Realtek one or your default company one, just the simple high-definition audio device. Select that, then click on Next. A warning might pop up. Simply click on Yes and restart your computer. When you come back, go back to the Enhancement tab and see if it is working. After that, you can turn that feature off. That's it. Your audio should now be clean and echo-free. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. Thank you for watching, and take care.